So here's the bathroom, as you guys saw in our previous episode. So it's all empty. Obviously it needs a bit of the home touch now. So I've got my towels and all the decor and we're gonna pop it in. Going with the coastal theme, this piece of fake coral goes up there because it's a bit of a dodgy window, to be honest. No offense, Seba, but your painting was not the greatest.
Hey.
But yeah, I think that looks nice there.
It does, yeah.
Just pop that in there. The necessities and the other necessities. Wish we didn't have to put those in there, but you know, we do. Now in the shower, I'm just gonna put my shower stuff. So my hair stuff, which right now is Vegamore. I've got Fresh, Touch Up, a hair mask. Now I don't know what you guys are gonna think about this, but I did want some like browns in here. Do you guys think that's weird? Tell me the truth. And then I've got this. Obviously that's not gonna there for now. Just wait. My favorite whey flavor or scent is the scent baths. Oh my god, it's so good. So I'm gonna put that here for whoever's using the bathtub. The body cream, the hair mist, and the gel and the scrub. You think that's nice? It's nice. A little wooden scooper for the scrub. A little nail brush for the kids' dirty little nails because they're disgusting. Now I do have travertine, like stone ones that are like beige, and they're gonna look way better than this, but they're somewhere in my parents' garage. I can't find them. So I've just got these umber ones, which are gonna go in the spare bathroom. But right now, this is what we got. So I'm gonna put some nice hand wash in the dispenser. This is the Enquiries French pear. It smells so good. This dispenser has seen better days. I think there's too much going on up there. I'm gonna put that candle here for now. Now, I was searching for a wooden little stool. This is like one of the main things I wanted to put in there, okay? This little wooden stool. There was a few stores in Bateman's Bay that had little stools, but they were like $200. I found one on Temple and Webster for $120. You can kind of put that over the... Okay, now for the towels, I got this French blue color, again, Temple and Webster. Let's set these up. What is this? This is the hand towel. It's a nice color, right? I like it, and it ties in with the bedroom. I think I need to get like a hand towel rack here. Do you think so, Seba? And then this is my favorite one. I just want to have like a few different textures. So I'm gonna layer these. Wait, should I go like that or like that?
Personally, I like it inside, but it's up to you.
I'm more asking my followers, just so you know.
Sorry.
How's that? What say ye? I'm literally talking to you, Seba.
Well, first you're talking to your audience, now you're talking to me? God.
Yes.
Guys, don't get married.
Oh my god. Don't worry, I will wash these before we actually use them. Mum? Yeah? Can you come here and give me some advice on what you do? You look nice. You look beautiful.
Well, losing a bit of weight helps. This didn't fit me.
This one's going to go in front of the shower. I'm just making it look pretty.
I wouldn't put all the towels on.
Is that wrong?
I think I'd just put two and the hand towel, and I wouldn't put the bottom towel. It looks a bit heavy.
This one?
Yeah.
So get rid of this?
Yes.
This bathroom.
And I'd roll the towel to put on the...
Sunny, I need that. And then I got this nice textured long bath mat, which I love. Long.
Mommy.
Yeah, this is nice, right? The texture. Well, you would have that little one folded up, right? Until you go to use the shower. Can you guys just let me do my thing?
No.
No. Don't let the haters stop you from doing a thing. Ah! Go watch the movie. We're trying to distract you.
I don't mind the flowers, to be honest.
You don't mind it?
I don't mind them.
Do you think maybe there's just too many? Like
I
maybe
think-
should just take out some of them?
Yeah.
Like that?
I don't like those pointy ones, to be honest.
The pointy, these?
Yeah.
So
That one, yeah. And the one in the back.
The palm at the back?
Maybe leave one palm, because I feel like it just overdoes it.
Maybe I'll take out the big one. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna move this bin because it's so crowded in there. And we are gonna hide it in here. See? This nice little nook. It's perfect for that. Now it looks a little less. And then should I put this over there? What do you think? And then also, like that. It needs the height. And let's just hang this up to finish the look. Wow, what do you think? And then look, I've just got this little splay there. How's that? Random. And then we've got these little candles. Okay, so here's the bathroom now. That looks really pretty, right? Also, I'm filming with my new Z Flip. How beautiful is it? It's so cool. Look, you can be like, dum dum, can hold it like a camcorder. It's cool. What do you guys think? Hey, sorry for the noise from the kids, but I love the blue in here. I think it's really nice. I love the wood and some of the beige from over there. I think it looks really nice. Any tips or further ideas, please hand them to me now. I think, you know, potentially I'll be replacing that with something and I don't know, something there. But it's a really thin ledge. Like this is already poking out a little bit. Any ideas, please let me know. I'm thinking just like definitely some candles, but just like beige ones. Ta-da! I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Back again, I just folded that little thing further so it doesn't look weird. But I think that looks great. Stunning. Right? Ta-da! Bit of color, a bit of the wood, a bit of the natural organic elements. Yay! Okay, well, let me know what you guys think. Oh, I'm taking any and all advice on this because I'm new to all this, but would love to know what you guys think. Okay, I'll catch you later.